Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to clear cache on Metamask. For that, first of all, you have two options of doing this. In the first method, you just have to launch your Metamask app, then tap on the settings icon in the bottom right hand corner, then select the security and privacy option. Over here you need to scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find the clear cache option. Now as you can see that we have clear privacy data, clear browse history and clear browse cookie. So you just have to tap on clear browse cookie and tap on clear, then tap on clear browser history and then tap on clear, then select the clear data and clear the data. So this was the first method. In the second method, you just have to long press on your Metamask app, then tap on app info. Now in the app info, select the storage option first. After that, tap on clear data, clear cache and then press OK. So these were the two methods of clearing the cache on Metamask. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel for more crypto related content. Thank you so much for watching.